Have you ever tried mango puff puff? If you're a mango lover, you would definitely love this recipe. It was super delicious and I hope you try it. Let's get started. So we're going to activate the yeast. In the mixing bowl, I added in water, warm water. I added in sugar, yeast. I set to well combined and then I kept it aside. So go ahead, peel your mango and then you can use a fork, cut it into smaller pieces and use the fork to mash it until smooth. When done, sieve it, go in with the rest of the ingredients. So I'll list whatever that I use in the comment section or in the description box below. So when done sieving, you can even add the pulps as well if you want to. When done, go in with the dry ingredients, which is flour, sugar, powdered milk, grated nutmeg, not that much, and then salt. Mix until everything has come together until you get to this consistency. When done, cover it with a cling film or with a napkin and then keep it aside until it has doubled in size. Once it has doubled in size, deflate the dough and then scoop it in the oil. Fry these bad boys. You're good to go. Just stay close to it and then make sure you don't add in that much. Just enough for each one to support each other. Stay close to it. Keep turning it. Keep flipping it until it is ready. This is very simple, so easy, and I hope you try it. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and I know you're going to give me credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And guys, just look at this amazing fruit. Just look at this amazing fruit. Look at this. When I remove it to the oil and drain the excess oil on the paper towel, you're good to go. Fry the next batch if you have it. And that's it, guys. It's very delicious, very easy to make. Try it and tag me later, especially if you're a mango lover. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you all. Stay blessed. Delicious.